y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a mini vlog with my sister and her husband. And oh my gosh, he is too much. Okay, let me tell you, as soon as I walked in, okay, so let me tell you real quick, he got bit by a dog. Who in the world gets bit by a dog? His finger got bit by a Rottweiler. Let me see your finger. Look, can you see how, oh, like, right here, huh? Mm-hmm. Right here. And then his thumb. Okay, so he got warned. His dad warned him about the dog. Enough warning. But this guy decided to still go touch the dog, make friends. And what happened? The dog bit you. But anyways, okay, so when I got here, I was like, how's your finger? And then he was like, I can't feel anything in my thumb. And I was like, what? Like, you can't feel anything? He's like, yeah, like, I close my eyes and if you touch my thumb, like, I can't feel anything. And I was just like, I was freaking out because I'm like, if you can't feel anything, to me, I'm like, your thumb is gonna fall off or something. I was like, that doesn't sound right. So he had me touching his thumb, and his eyes were closed, and he's like, yeah, I can't feel you touching my thumb. Oh my god, and then, oh my god, his thumb is fine, but he got me. Look at my beautiful sister. Oh my gosh, she's almost about to pop. We're about to do her makeup, and then we're gonna go take some pictures because we got to have some cute pictures for the baby shower. But I just wanted to come on here real quick. I'll be back when we do some more fun shit. So we came to Scissortail Park to take some pictures with my sister and the brother-in-law. If you want to. They came out so cute, you guys. Look at downtown. It's so peaceful and beautiful down here. Look at the city. Hey, if we do it together, it'll super nice out here. I just got done taking the pictures, so let's see what else I get into. Y'all, guess what? Today we are going to work on that yard. Here's a sneak peek of what it looks like. I started a little bit, and then what do you call it? Oh, let me close this door. I started a little bit, but what do you call it? I had to stop so I can go get some more gas. Like, here's a sneak peek of it. I said I would never again let it get this tall, and I did. Dang it. Okay, well, we're gonna work on this yard, and I'm on a time frame because I need to go to go see my friends compete in a CrossFit competition. So I need to hurry up and do this real quick. Let's get it. What's up, y'all? I'm still not done, but I needed a break. Oh my gosh, you guys. It is hot. Look at glitter. I cannot. Damn, I'm sweating so much. I cannot let this grass get like this again. I swear. It's worse than the last time. Oh my god.
But it's okay, we're gonna get it done. But you guys, let me just say, it's getting there. Sweat went in my eye. Oh my god. And then I gotta go wipe this sweat off. Oh my god, it's burning. I'll be back. It's in my eye. Okay, I'm back. Time to get back at this. You guys, this is not the business. But it is possible. Oh, this little breeze. Yes. I had to wash my face off. I was sweating so bad. I had to get a water break. I like these gloves. They're so, I like the color, that bright, but they work really good. So, oh shoot. Okay, let me get back at this. Oh, Bonnie, don't let it get like this again. Sweat that came off. It's cut, but dumb. Okay, so you guys, it is hot. Oh my gosh, I am hot. Oh damn, I gotta do my front yard. Okay, now I gotta do my front yard, and my front yard's gonna suck because there's so many branches on the ground. But we can make it happen. Let's do it. Let's freaking do it.
Another day, we're adding more to the vlog. Today, we gotta go run some errands. But before we go do all that, okay, I need to do this quick little, whoa, taste test. And I look a little crazy, but today your girl is rocking natural beauty. So like I was saying, we're gonna do a quick little review, because why not? Because I'm in the mood to. But okay, so I don't know if you guys, I've never tried this and I wanted to try it. Have you guys tried the Sun Gold kiwi fruit? Oh my gosh, you guys, if you guys have not tried it, you guys need to try it. But I wanted to do a comparison to the regular kiwi. Regular kiwi versus the Sun Gold. And I cut them all up, and so I was like, okay, let's try them. Is this a good angle for you guys? I hope it is. But let's have like a taste test, and then I'll give you my my thoughts on it. But let me show you. So this is the Sun Gold and this is regular. I chopped them all up. Let's see. Okay, first let's try this regular kiwi. Tastes like a regular kiwi. Now let's try the Sun Gold. They said this one's sweeter. Oh my gosh. Okay. If you guys never tried this, y'all need to try it. It's sweeter. Oh my gosh, that's really good. I cut these in balls because they were like, I don't know, it's just easier to do it that way. Kiwis can be a hit or miss. Sometimes kiwis can be like sweet. These are not that sweet. But these kiwis, oh my god. If you guys never tried them, y'all need to try them. They're really good. So, you guys, I have a baby shower that I have to prepare for. It's coming this Friday. And I have a lot to do, so I'm gonna be vlogging a little bit of the things that I'm gonna be doing. So come with me. Let's go on this on this ride. Oh my gosh, I'm so nervous about it, but I gotta go pick up some stuff, and oh my gosh, but I'll take y'all with me. So let's go. What's up, you guys? So we gotta make a pit stop first, and sorry if I look a little crazy. I'm trying to be the natural look today. Just got lashes on, so excuse me if I look crazy. My bad. But sometimes you just gotta be a little natural, a little bit. Right now I'm at Starbucks. I've been craving this drink, and oh my gosh, let me tell you guys real quick, I weighed myself. I am still dropping. Yes, I'm still dropping, you guys. Every time I weigh myself and I lose or whatever, my mind is like, okay, now let's eat something good. And that's not good, but I haven't been to Starbucks in forever, and I want to treat myself. There's this drink they have here. I'll tell you how I order it. So it's a well, what I'm gonna order today, I'm gonna go ahead and tell you. It's a venti soy no water chai latte, and it is fire. I'm gonna get the iced one, and it is so good, and I haven't had one in forever, and I deserve it. I've been doing really good. So I'm gonna get that, and then I'm gonna see if they have like this protein box that I can get here. So I'm gonna do that, and then I have to go into this Dollar Tree to see if they have these little things that I need for the tables to decorate and stuff like that. You guys, it's gonna get done. But yes, I deserve this, and this is my treat. I'll show you guys when I get it so you guys can see. I'll show you guys my first sip since I haven't. Man, I don't even know how long it's been. It's been a while, you guys. Yes, I definitely deserve it. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'll show you here in a minute. Let me place the order. Sad face. Okay, so the protein box that I wanted, they are out, so that kind of made me kind of sad, but that's okay. I ordered something else. Hopefully it's good. I can't wait to get the drink. Ooh, I'm trying on some different lashes today. Let's see if I can wear sunglasses while having these lashes on. Nope. That's the only thing with lashes. I can't wear my sunglasses unless I wear different. Let's see if I can wear these. No. And then switch over now. My list. Okay. Well, I'll show you my drink when I get it. Okay. So I got my drink. See, look. It's a venti iced chai latte, iced soy, no water. Meaning no water means it's gonna be a little bit more of a stronger flavor of the chai tea. So good. And as you can see, I'm in the Dollar Tree parking lot because I'm about to go in there. But first, I need to try this. Oh my god, I haven't had this in forever. What are the calories in here? I don't know, but who cares today? I deserve this. Oh my gosh. Hold on. OMG, this is so bomb. Let's do a little, what do you call it? Thumbnail. Oh my gosh, this is so bomb. If y'all like chai tea, try it at Starbucks. It's so bomb. I'm about to down it here in the parking lot. But okay, let me oh yeah, let me tell you what I got. I got a sausage, egg, and cheddar sandwich from there because I haven't ate, and so here it is. Let's see how it tastes. When you're hungry, everything is bomb. So this is good. Let me eat it, and then let's see what I find in here. So I didn't get to show you guys what I've been doing. So I went to, where did I go? Dollar Tree and then Walmart. And right now I am painting some letters. And here, let me just show you. I painted these letters. I have my little, and then I'm doing these mason jars. They're gonna have flowers. And you guys, I'm trying to figure it out. I need to go buy some more mason jars. But yeah, this is my area at the moment. So fun. And then I got hungry, so I'm gonna, oh my gosh, my nose is, I'm gonna make this chicken sausage spaghetti bolognese. Oh no, we're gonna see. I'm starving and I cannot continue working until I'm fed. So let's do this. And whoa, this is all that came in. Get spaghetti. What is this? Ooh, crushed tomatoes. That, some Parmesan. What is this? Ooh, chicken stock. And some Italian seasoning. Okay, let's get started. Okay, real quick. It's asking to heat my broiler to high. I don't have a broiler. Oh. So I guess it's the oven. I don't know. Okay, let's turn the oven on. So I turned the oven to high, which to me high is like 400. So we'll see. I don't know. It's asking me to trim in half the zucchini. Oh, I thought this was a cucumber. Okay, so trim in half zucchini lengthwise, thinly slice clockwise into half moon. Okay, let's do that. And real quick, so I bought this thing. Hopefully this will work to drizzle, because it's asking me to drizzle and I didn't have something to drizzle, so let's see. Okay, so it said drizzle sheet with a large drizzle. Oh, look at how professional. I don't know what a large drizzle is, but okay, there we go. So it said half of this Italian seasoning. I don't know, that looks like a lot, so we gonna just do that. So it said in a large pan, drizzle some oil. I like this thing. So it said to do that, and then it said to put the remainder of the Italian seasoning. It looks like a lot. I don't know. We'll listen to what it says. Now let me cook that. Oh my gosh, this smells so good, you guys. Okay, I gotta check the zucchini, but oh my gosh, smells so good. So I just added this, looks really good, and then the concentrate stock. So now we mix it. Okay, let's do the taste test. Oh, I hope it's good. I was so hungry, you guys. Oh, it's hot. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Okay. I'm trying not to, trying to get a good bite of everything. Mmm. Yo, this is actually really good. Oh my gosh. I did it again. I recommend this one. It's really good. Okay, HelloFresh. Thank you again. And I'll see you guys in a minute.